Today we are going to be looking at level 2.2 Intro to Congruent Triangle Proofs. And the directions are really quite helpful. Add markings to the figures based on the given information. And then we're going to use the given information to decide which triangle congruence theorems applies and complete the proofs. And I am not going to use sticky labels, but here we go. So our first problem is to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. And our first piece of information is given is that AC is congruent to DF. So we marked up that triangle, those triangles. Second piece of information is that AB, side AB, is congruent to side DE. So notice I used 2 tick marks on this one. We're also given that angle A is congruent to angle D. So what we can say now is that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. And what we have is we have a side and an angle, included angle, and another side. This is side, angle, side. If we flip our page, problem number 2. We're given, you got to be able to see the picture, given these 2 triangles, we want to prove that triangle DEF is congruent to triangle XYZ. So what we've got is we've got, first of all, DF is congruent to XZ. DF is congruent to XZ. Second piece of information that's given is angle D is congruent to angle X, and we also have that angle F, notice that I put 2 marks here, angle F is congruent to angle Z, and we have we have angle, side, angle, and we have angle, side, angle. So we can say that triangle DEF is congruent to triangle XYZ because of angle, side, angle. Remember all of those properties from page 11 in your packet. Reasons that prove that triangles are congruent. If we look at problem number 3, this time we want to prove that angle S is congruent to angle K. But let's start with what we're given, which is that RS is congruent to LK. ST is congruent to KJ. So notice I put 2 tick marks in. We have to separate the sides. And here we even have the third sides. RT is congruent to LJ. So what we can say now is that we can say that triangle RST is congruent, and I need to get the order right here, but RS has 1 tick mark, and then I'm going to go to TST, looking at the order here, which has 2 tick marks. So I need to go LKJ, triangle LKJ, and just a reminder, I know it takes a little bit of time, but RS has 1 tick mark, LK has 1 tick mark, ST has 2 tick marks, KJ has 2 tick marks, and then RT has 3 tick marks, and LJ has 3 tick marks. I just want to make sure that the order is correct on those. And when we do, we can say that these two triangles are congruent because of side, side, side. And then we can say that angle S is congruent to angle K because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent.